Hi friends, welcome back to John.Drinks. Today we're making the national drink of Martinique, the Tea's Punch. Its name is an abbreviation on the Creole word for petite. This drink is essentially called Little Punch. It's a flavorful, easygoing, simple to make cocktail. Tea's Punch in Martinique is part of everyday life, as so much so as espresso is in Italy. When people are visiting Martinique, whether it's family or tourists, that they're usually greeted with a Tea's Punch. So first you will need a bottle of rhum agricole. What is rhum agricole? Rhum agricole is a variety of rum that is specifically made in the Caribbean French colonies of Martinique and a few others. One of the most notable distinctions is that this is made with fresh sugarcane juice. Opposed to sugar or molasses like more traditional rums, this one's gonna have like a grassy sweet instead of like a rich sugary sweet. Beautiful freshness, and this goes well in mojitos and daiquiris as well. Let's go make a Tea's Punch. Now, traditionally, a Tea's Punch is neither shaken nor stirred. It's built right in a glass. We're gonna grab a lime. We're gonna give that a quick roll. Rolling your limes helps get the juice out easier. And then we're gonna grab one lime wheel. We're gonna add that into our glass. Next, we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of simple syrup. And we're gonna give this a quick muddle. We don't wanna pulverize the lime. We just wanna break this up and get the juices out. And get the lime all along all the sides. And then 2 ounces of our rhum agricole. There's a Tea's Punch. There is not a lot of cocktails out there that are served without ice or at room temperature. So this is the first one I think I've done on this channel, but it is the most traditional way they would serve it in Martinique. You know, that is very good. This bottle is 50% too, so it's really strong. But very similar to a daiquiri, a little less richness and a little bit more freshness. Rhum agricole isn't really like a cachaça because it's not fermented, so it doesn't have that pungentness, but it's very close to it. It's like that middle ground of a white rum and nice cachaça. If you think that is a little too strong for you, feel free to add ice. In fact, they do it that way there too. Some people like it with ice, some people don't. In fact, the whole recipe varies from household to household. That's good. Actually, do not mind it at room temperature. Anyways, that is the Tea's Punch, Martinique's national drink. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you want to see something else. And until next time, cheers.